Today guys, in this video review we consider Empire Hotels project, notice purpose and dignity. This video will be in English format, so guys, especially for you I will add Russian subtitles for convenience, please and viewing. Obviously most individuals love to travel. Rarely I have met a solitary individual who might not have any desire to go to any place or even go another nation. There is some station layer of individuals who have no cash for it or who have some other reasons avoiding traveling. In any case, a great many people will go to any lovely corner of planet to get to know there properly by it, just as get a ton of constructive feeling and recollection. I think you all understand that the basis of any trip is directly the place of residence where you can basically spend night or even in the particular city, town, state and country. In most cases travelers choose something in between a classic hotel or apartment at an affordable price. Previously, when there was no internet, people booked hotels directly from hotels owners bypassing any intermediaries. Now with advent of variously online platforms, you can remote select and view any accommodation option like you and sort it by the category what you need, for example by payment method, by type of food or on an arrangement. But these little things had made our journey with you much more comfortable and safer, as we can see in advance how the room will look like, what ratings this hotels has, where the negative comments from already experienced visitors to these hotels and much more. However, despite all these positive aspects, there are other negative aspects concerning the classic online platform. I think many of you have heard at least one about Booking, and what is it? Booking is one of the most popular online booking platform anywhere in the world. Its working principle is very simple. You set the parameters and categories you need and it offers the excited options. However, using the services of this platform you overpay a very decent amount of money just for the fact that it uses such service. Moreover, this commissions is paid by the owner of chosen property, so that its option is recorded in the database Booking. All these aspects form one big problem: this increased cost of rental housing. That is, you could rent the same room much cheaper, but you have to pay for it, and all because in your search services help at Booking, team of specialists which develop its new decentralized project with help of modern technologies. It aims to solve this injustice, and this is Empire Hotels. Empire Hotels is able to solve a number of above and other exciting projects inherent in the hospital industry, such as double booking and incorrectly entered data when booking online. At first glance it may seem that these two errors are very harmless and don't carry any threat. Nevertheless, such missteps provoke a whole chain of unpleasant actions that negatively affect the overall impression of tourism and thus the rating of the most armored institution. To implement concept of Empire Hotels, the internal token of the platform, with help of which absolutely all financial transactions will take place, namely to pay for the booking of your chosen accommodation and a number of other features available in Empire Hotels. This principle will allow you not only to interact directly with the hospital industry, but also not to pay additional fees and other interesting changes to implementation of international booking, to a natural decrease in the cost of the booking accommodation. At the same time, Empire Hotels will allow hotels owners to get rid of an onslaught of monopoly platforms and continually profit from the business of others. That's why, thanks to development model, hotel owners will be able to finally increase their profits due to the fact that they will no longer pay crazily commissions to former intermediaries. At the same time, to resolve any disputes or claiming within Empire Hotels, developers have provided a special arbitration model, the main function of which will be provided democratic and decentralized support to injured parties. This model will allow you to quickly and fairly resolve the situation, as well as safely eliminate its consequence. In general, given current problem in this field of hotel business, we can conclude that project is promoting sphere to new level of development, offering high quality and reliable services, by means of which tourism or traveler will be able to find not only a suitable housing option, but the owner of hotel will be happy to be released from the excited shackles of monopolists. If you have any question about the project, ask them in the comments under the video, or you can ask a question in the official Empire Hotels group in Telegram, where they will tell you more about the project. I will not leave you without attention. Links in the description under the video. And I say goodbye to you, thank you for attention, see you next time.